50. I'll see if we can put up her. We more if you sit down and bring her done. We more if you sit down and bring her done. And look all I've said. Me not laugh after, me not throw dirt upon nobody life. One who did not dash away. One who did not call it up. She probably here being in a worse situation now. Tomorrow morning you wake up, you're frightened for hear saying I'm the next president of America. It's same Rochelle we look upon now and throw dirt upon in prosperity, in progress, in future, in career, and say make him go across, he did walk, he did take up dinner for Jamaica time, come a foreign man, run left him, he did look on used to rain for TikTok, make him go dead. I will look down upon him. Tomorrow we wake up, him we look up to. And him be the prime minister. We have to think before we do. Don't look down upon nobody. Don't look down upon nobody in a life. You know how much people did look upon me and tell me, remember when I go to school, a woman in my community named Shani and Sadie. And then look down upon me night at the end of blood clot and then tell them son don't walk with me a bad company. That's before me a batty man. When me not grade 2, grade 3, me a bad company because me never so bright after them sun bright. And me a this and me a that and me a this and me a that and me don't know nobody then look down upon me then criticize me care when PTA meeting I keep me not have no matter if go PTA meeting that look boy the name Jai me having granny I go in granny I go in granny I go in mother I go cheer them I go represent him one time and me not have nobody figure. I then look down upon when me I go school sometime all the slippers me a wear. I'm a wear Clarks then classify me as nothing right off me off. And me can't figure grade level come no blood clot me get recommended for 6 CXC subject and him get recommended for none. I can't if he get grade level come, me get recommended for 6 CXC subject, and him get recommended for not even one a blood in full chat. But who are the bad company? Who are the bad company? Him. Cause when my mama send me go to school, but when for him mama did send him go to school, he never go. And he did a game shop. And when grade level come, he get recommended for 6 subject, and him never get recommended for none. Who was the bad company at that time? When we do something in our life, we not think. Me can't feel. Do you know how many of them could believe me could have there for no for them a kill them picking. Where you cruff? All I read there for now you can't go. Sorry, can nobody. Yeah, I live my mother name. Me pass 5 out tight. Me get one in a drama that a theater arts. Me theater's teacher the paya watch me now. Big up Miss Douglas, Elisa Douglas. One in a agri. 3 in a general construction. 3 in a mathematics or 3 in a visual arts. Me can't job but me can't create things. Me creative. No bad mouth other people picking it. I go to Troy High School in Chilani, dedicated for discipline, committed to success. I graduate after Troy High School 2020. Yes, my mother still offend at the Coronation Market. No, me can't do English, me don't know English good. Me don't know English good, no like how me there Mexico. At the airport, I me TikTok mother dey on the phone. And me talk to the people them in the patois, my mother start cuss bad word for me. Stacy say, how the fuck there, Tikki? Yeah, eat that. If people them not even know English good much more if you know patois. Me laugh till me weak. Yeah, hard though. Not even in a city of girls me no get it. Yeah, I think me get in a 3 in a city of girls. You a fish by choice. Big up yourself. You a fish. Me no fish, me pass fish long time. Me da fish when me there Jamaica. If you know me I want know. 5 subject I don't know the difference of GPS. Of course, me can have 5 subject I don't know the difference of GPS. A foreign me can learn about that. A foreign me can learn about it, I never know it. How you have 10 man. So what the difference? How you have you're full of man like gazebo no. What do you mean by GPS? That's your name? What you mean by GPS? A foreign me can learn about that. When me know when me there Jamaica, me say I go Kingston. Me jump on a bus go Mandeville, then me jump on one from Mandeville go blood clot Kingston. When me hear someone go run a brother palm yard, me know say brother palm yard they now want orange house. And me can see somebody on the road and say, I hear some brother palm house there. And me can jump in a one taxi and say, left me down a Pastor Simon's church. When me there friend me no see nobody ask say, left me at the hospital. A friend me can't know say them the sick they use. Cause speak like the iguana. Cause suck your man.
Tikki, you angle the message to Kim, and I go lie.
And me want to come to me, yes, me fire be a shot pan him.
Yeah, she not go come for you. I'ma tell you. You see, everything when you say you lick the nail pan the head, Tikki. And people, you know, when I realize today you come and you play fool for catch wise, because you have sense, you know. But no, say you only do the things. But me I tell you, she too out harder. People, there was this lady in the comment where I say, Kay never say anything wrong. You see what she did? She could have go in a Rochelle inbox, go talk to her. Everything them take and jump on live and try to bring the woman. The whole of them come and come beg. And the worst thing is, me know if Kay did really want to help her, you find a problem with the girl. You not go try find a solution. Text her and say, Rochelle, me now have it, so want $50, yeah. Cause the whole of we go through.
Not even give $50. The encouragement sweeten labor. Encourage
exactly.
her. Motivate.
The girl pregnant at the end of the day.
Listen
really
to me.
And truly, I didn't hear what focus. I didn't hear what blood clot cause it's wicked.
You know amount of people when I give me money, when me look up to no blood clot, I mean I want to call out the name when we wash their foot and drink their water. You know your deepest downfall, your deepest situation.
Tikki, the whole we fall.
You know your deepest downfall, your deepest situation. And then call you, they encourage you. Tell us a word of encouragement, motivation. You have a bad
day and that make you feel better.
Encourage you, make you feel good, make you feel like a somebody. Call her. You want to be a woman, man. You want to be a fitting.
Listen to this. Let me tell you. Alright, me used to cuss Rochelle and say, Rochelle can't shut up about in here, but that is that. And me I tell you, Tikki, when she have our problem, me take up myself and go over there, go by. And me don't even follow Rochelle. But guess what? When you do things to people, you do it from your heart. You don't just do it. But me I say, all of we fall from bad times.
Please.
I sure not say if Rochelle did know say Dinier would have do her that she would put herself in another situation there.
No, we don't know.
Should be the one for come talk.
Zoe. Should be the one for come talk. Zoe, we don't know what man do we until man do we things.
Tikki, the whole of we as woman.
Zoe, bite up we nipple, bite up we neck, tell we in love, we no blood class, tell we jeans and we work with.
Right now, the whole we should have come together and join force to try and encourage her. Who can give her money, can give her word of encouragement.
With the Zoe, man tell her they love you, man tell her they rate you, boy sell her jeans, boy sell her hopes, boy sell her future, no blood clot. I'll tell her tomorrow what you and him I go have and what you and him not have. I'll tell her nice things now. I'll go behind the bar round there so I bite up your nipple and suck off your neck and dig out your hole and wine in your belly 2 times the blood clot and that sweet you. And he said, baby, me see what business over there, some what I doing now, me not treat it, you can't help me invest in other business there. And as soon as I help him invest in the business and he start blood increase out of the business and he start elevate out of the business, the blood clot. Boy put on a cattleman and a spinning wheel and run out of your life. The boy run out of your life like an athlete.
Okay? That woman here say Kay never say nothing, but why she never inbox her? She could have take herself and inbox her. She never need to come on the live and say the way how she say it. And she's talking about
Rochelle remember say Kay loud and rock us, you know.
See that screen record in there when Rochelle say she said she have a registry for her baby who want to buy, go and buy, and everybody do that. Pania. The app is a begging up. Who no like it, just go on. If you not give, you not
begging up.
Yeah, begging up. Americans are beg. Mexicans are beg. Chinese over here beg.
I'm begging up. I'm begging up. You know, I'm TikTok in here, I'm begging up. You know, I'm begging.
Said something after Rochelle came out. What did Rochelle came out and say?
She shake your blood. Me always say, my granny say, you have to say you shut your blood mouth.
You could have gone in her inbox to talk
to her. Say you shut your blood clot mouth.
Listen, you know what me want, Bobby, after all of this, you know what me that love? If and me know God I go bring Rochelle, because remember say no we not greater than God. God help the whole away. And guess what? Rochelle lip on her face now, and me know Father God I go bring her through and all the way up to K I go live for see the outcome of Rochelle. Yeah. Cause God never give nobody more than them can bear ever in this life. Just when you think say you're there for your last, God come through and pull you through. So Rochelle, nobody listen to the nice girl. Just go and hold your feet. You
Listen
have
to
the
me.
two
I
people
want
them.
me to tell her to do, you see? As encourage in prayer. And while she pray, she encourage her pitney for prayer. Go down on your knee and prayer and say, repeat after me. Repeat after me. Because the Bible say, a praying man is a warrior man. And the Bible says, tears are language only him understands.
And I
And
lie.
he who that have, and he who peer, he pray, God have answered their prayer. And God answer right part time.
And I lie.
Russell, if me can walk out in a fault of detention, I've been in America right so you see right now, me now have a citizenship, me now have a green card. Me probably be an alien. I will me have
So she should have not said anything publicly. She could have going at the girl inbox.
I plenty of them me left for detention right now in a detention. And when me left them at detention, me come out right now, I left them in a detention and me yesterday they gone, so who no gonna Florida if you get deport and who no gone over there, so gone over here. So but God
Let me tell you this, you see anything in our life, what is for you, Tikki? If God never, remember say, God already ordained all our life already, you know, it already written, you know. So guess what, you see if God did say, yo, Tikki enough for the US for whatever reason, you would do the US. So God ordained it, I reach in the US, and I know that was God.
I'm not going like a girl go and come boy how big.
Exactly.
The cake way. Full of house.
Christian, what that girl name? Christiania, you the on case side. We are trying for we're speaking on both teams right
and
now.
if not only K spoke about it, it literally the whole TikTok did. You is a woman. You know if you speak down for a woman.
Tikki, when me say she could have go in a Rochelle.
Listen to me now. You is a woman, you don't speak down on a woman. You is a woman have kids and have pitney. So you speak down, yeah, look at
the internet bad.
Let me start no so that's why I never had nobody in the back seat, you know.
No, me I tell somebody say Bobby internet bad, so we not hear him.
So you is a woman and you have pitney like her to bring yourself in the same position. Put your foot in a fear shoes and look on it as if I did yourself or look for yourself in a situation there too. Make a Batman come out, go bring him down. And me shouldn't bring him down. And I may pick up fear. What you mean by?
I don't lie, Tikki.
When Peter mean, moderator is making go look for Paul.
Yeah.
He say alone. Stab Peter in his neck. Making go look for Paul.
One more the
Go back at the Bible.
It can change for anybody for true, girl. Sammy. I don't lie. Anyone that we can fall.
Fly away, Peter. Run away, blood clot, Paul.
Why?
K beg for mine, man. Rochelle beg for female in picking them. Why? One ungrateful, no, wicked and unfair.
I don't lie. I don't like Tikki. See what the me see everybody when you in a your little thing. No matter how where you send, me no want nobody.
Big up Bloodshine. That's what chef them, and spice them, and Ivani them. Right now, whistle with blood clot me not pick up for her. You know, it's sad, yes, but maybe it was how Kay said it. It rubbed people.
That's what I'm saying. It's not what she said.
Always tell me say when you have, you know, my granny always tell me say when you have, if you have good fish, say no say nothing have blood.
But then always say
salt savage. Savage. When you not live the life, you are fighting dirt or battling blood mud. You was our have 17 husband. Just like how me, if you come out here trying to look for nobody life or look for nobody situation because me is about you, so me can't criticize nobody or bring nobody because you are nothing be hurt and not disgraceful. And that's so me look for them because you happen. The Bible says 2 men shall go together, shall not date. And the Bible says 2 men shall go together, his blood rank. So me not criticize nobody. Me need to go fix up for my life first. Me need to go put myself together first and before me come out and coach with other people. So you should have realized it. You should have fixed your life, yourself, your marriage, your partner, everything about before you come and bring that girl. I worse you in a position girl begging because you is a beggar as well.
Tikki, none of we at all. Not even me enough to talk about Rochelle. Good night, Charlene.
How are you?
Wally pan we go through it, so now we not for judge her.
Me have a little input pan it to me, mama. Me have a little input pan it to me. Let me tell you something, man. The whole of we make mistake, and the whole of we shot fault. But let me tell you something. You see, Rochelle is a strong girl.
Yes,
But
she
let me tell you,
is.
anywhere in a life, did them more or them are well.